Yo, I'm back with another video, man. Today's video, I'm gonna be reacting to, what is it called? Hold on. It is called Dashcam Truck Crashes Compilation. Am I saying that right? Compilation. I'm recording this on my iPhone 7 on my personal phone. I'm not recording it on this one because it's not turning on. So yeah, I'm just watching on my TV, and then if that phone ends up turning on, I'm just gonna screen record the video and then post it. You know what I'm talking about? It look good, you know. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna be using these. If I look weird, don't at me. I can if I'm screaming. I'm sorry. It's gonna be really loud. No. Wait, is this volume up? Alright, whoa. I thought I had no sound. Hey, yo, what? How did... And it's still going around in circles. Is this guy drunk? Alright, you can see this one. Truck on the left and truck on the right. Oh! The tire popped! What? How did that happen? This minute's like 5 minutes.
No!
Damn, that guy, bro, he needs to chill. Ain't that deep? I mean, it is. But this was like, no! Right. Whoa, sorry. What's happening? What? What the fuck was that guy doing? What the hell? Hey man, I'm not making fun of him. That's how he sounded. Damn, that car got fucked up. I already even noticed that. Alright. It's gonna happen. Ooh! Damn, we got lucky. I thought he was about to hit it.
Somebody's fucking watching me.
For real, someone is fucking watching him. He got fucking saved. Perfectly saved. Am I too close to this bitch? I didn't even see that one. What the hell is that black bro? Is that like a UFO? Never was gonna happen. Where did this truck come from? Damn, bro, that car just got bink. Damn. He needs some Jesus. This is the clickbait one. I saw this one. Ooh. Damn. That shit was... He hit that bitch hard. What's happening in this one? Oh, this is a semi-truck. He's my... Into the house! Into the house. But the freeways ones are always like get like collisions, bro. What? What hit him? But I need to get like context behind this, bro. Cause I just see people ramming into people. Well, what? You see like that? And this one has the back open. Pause. If I'm screaming, I'm sorry, bro. Look at idiot. Look at. And then that one's gonna flip. The motorcycle, bruh? Oh, he caught himself. He kept driving. He left his motorcycle. Look at, what is this idiot doing? Like, he can't do nothing. What? How did that guy not get hit? Sorry if I'm moving my head, bro, because it's the tripod. Look at, there you go. Dumbass. This tripod is in front of me. What the hell is this guy doing? It's only a one-way go. Idiot. Ooh, damn. Against a school bus? well, this guy's drunk. He's smoking that good crack. Yeah, done. Yeah, he's smoking that good crack. Well, what is this guy doing?
Son of a bitch.
And what's that car doing? Is he trying to do donuts or something? Probably hungry for donuts. Bing, bing. Oh, sorry. What? Hey, man. That's the end of the video. Hopefully y'all like that video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll be back with another video on Friday. Later.